Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the structure of red blood cells. The normal human red cell is a circular non-nucleated and biconcave disc. Know this point guys. Normal human red cell is a circular non-nucleated and biconcave disc. The surface area of a red cell is much larger than that of a sphere of the same size. The surface area of the red cell is much larger or greater than that of a sphere of the same size. Therefore, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maximal with the biconcave configuration of red cells. Okay. Coming to dimensions. Red cell dimensions. First, shape. It is biconcave shape and size is 7 to 8 micrometers in diameter. And thickness. Thickness of red cell is 2 micrometer at the periphery and 1 micrometer at the center. Surface area 140 micrometer square and volume 87 micrometer cube. Okay, that is 78 to 94 micrometer cube. And the advantages of biconcavity of red cells. When exposed to hypotonic environment, red cells withstand lysis to a greater degree as they swell to a larger extent to attain spherical shape before bursting. Thus, they don't easily lyse when blood becomes hypotonic. It increases the surface area for exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It helps in easy folding of red cells and therefore facilitating their movement through the narrow capillaries. I think it is clear to you. We see the figure. This figure shows the dimensions of red cell, structure of red cell. And red cell is biconcave in shape and its diameter is 7 micrometers. Okay, and it has a minimum thickness at center, that is nearly 1 micrometer. It may be 0.8 micrometers and at periphery it is 2 micrometers of thickness. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, if you like this, in next video we are going to learn about the red cell composition. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.